Hello, in this video we are going to look at adding NIM project folders and mounting to external servers. If you're using NIM project structures, you'll want to mount your project servers directly onto the NIM VM so it has access to read and write to those locations. You can mount multiple servers on the NIM VM and access them through the Admin Servers menu. Here we see our default local host server, but we'll want to update that with our own project server information. The first thing we need to do is go to our NIM VM console. We're going to shut down the NIM VM so we can add a new location, and we'll click send the shutdown signal and click OK. Once we're powered down, we can go to the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and click Settings. We go to our shared folders location. We have some existing shared machine folders here. We want to select the folder location on our network that is the location that we want our projects to be saved to. So we'll click the plus sign and choose our new folder path. My location is going to be in NIM Projects, and I'm going to choose a new folder, and I'm going to call this My Projects. I'm going to click Create and select Choose. I'm also going to tell VirtualBox to auto-mount this location so it'll always be available, and I'll hit OK. We now see it in our folder list, and we're ready to start our NIM VM. We click OK and select Start. VirtualBox places all shared folders in the /media location and prefixes them with SF_ for shared folder. We can log in at our NIM VM console prompt, and we can navigate to our media folder to see our new mounted location. We type CD to change directory, /media, and type ls to list our directory. Here we can see our folder SF_my projects, and that is our new project folder. Within NIM, we can now go over to our Admin Servers tab, and we're going to click the plus sign to add a new location, and we're going to choose our new server name. We're going to call this My Projects. You can set a location. Currently, we only have our default location. And we're going to choose our mount point. Our mount point is that /media/SF_my projects folder. This is the mount point that exists on the NIM VM. I'm going to type /media/fs_my projects. This location is the job root path. Within my projects, I may have a folder that I want all projects specifically written to. I can go to my folder location in my file system, go to my projects folder, and I'm going to create a PRJ file. And this is where I want all of my projects written to. From the Linux path, this is the path that NIM will use to access the job root folder. So we'll select type /media/SF_my projects_PRJ. Your Windows path and your OS X path need to point to the same location. You can use the other operating system paths if you have a multi-OS environment. In our location, we mount My Projects under I:/my projects/PRJ. And on OS X, it'll be volumes My projects/PRJ. All three of those paths point to the same folder, but will resolve independently for each operating system. We can set a priority if we have multiple servers and we want to list them in a particular order, and we want to define this as a project server. I'm going to hit the check mark to save our changes, and we can now see that this location is mounted. We can delete the existing localhost share as we won't be using it. To add new servers, simply follow the same instructions, add multiple folders, and add as many servers as you like. And that's how to mount project servers on NIM. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact support@nim-labs.com or visit the support forum at support.nim-labs.com.